Welcome, everyone! Today, we embark on a breathtaking journey through the miraculous creation of the human body, a process that beautifully intertwines both science and spirituality. Imagine a single microscopic cell, glowing with divine light, as it begins its incredible journey of division. As we witness this tiny fertilized egg transform, an embryo gradually takes shape, and soon, the outline of a human being emerges. The heart, a symbol of life, begins to beat, while eyes form, limbs grow, and facial features develop with grace. Each moment is illuminated by a radiant light, representing the divine essence that accompanies this extraordinary transformation. Hair begins to sprout, bones strengthen, and before our eyes, a complete human form comes to life, embodying the wonder of creation. This visualization reminds us of the profound beauty and complexity of life itself. Thank you for joining me on this inspiring exploration. If you enjoyed this journey, consider following or subscribing for more captivating content.